teacher actually guided us from scratch and even teach us how to identify like the mixture to make sure that the flow and everything, the outcome is what we want. One thing that inspired me most is Jackie Lai's talk.
The way that he designed it's quite interesting to me.